Top 20 Data Analytics-based project ideas. 1. Predictive maintenance for manufacturing equipment. Employ machine learning algorithms to predict equipment failures, optimizing maintenance schedules and reducing downtime. 2. E-commerce product recommendation system. Develop a recommendation engine to suggest products to users based on their browsing and purchase history, enhancing user experience and increasing sales. 3. Healthcare analytics for disease diagnosis. Utilize patient data and machine learning techniques to assist in the early diagnosis of diseases, improving treatment outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. 4. Social media sentiment analysis. Analyze social media data to understand public opinion and sentiment towards products, services, or events, aiding in brand reputation management and marketing strategies. 5. Financial fraud detection. Implement anomaly detection algorithms on financial transaction data to identify fraudulent activities, safeguarding against financial losses and ensuring regulatory compliance. 6. Energy consumption forecasting. Predict future energy consumption patterns using historical data and predictive modeling techniques, aiding in resource allocation and energy efficiency measures. 7. Customer churn prediction for telecom industry. Develop models to predict customer churn based on usage patterns and customer demographics, enabling targeted retention efforts and revenue optimization. 8. Supply chain optimization. Analyze supply chain data to optimize inventory levels, reduce costs, and improve delivery efficiency, enhancing overall supply chain performance. 9. Predictive analytics for student performance. Predict student academic performance using educational data analytics, enabling early intervention strategies and personalized learning approaches. 10. Real-time traffic analysis and optimization. Analyze traffic flow data to optimize traffic signals and road networks, reducing congestion and improving commute times in urban areas. 11. Smart city sensor data analysis. Analyze sensor data from various urban systems, for example, transportation, energy, waste management, to improve city planning and infrastructure management for enhanced livability. 12. Credit risk assessment. Develop credit scoring models using historical credit data to assess the creditworthiness of applicants, aiding in loan approval decisions and risk management. 13. Marketing campaign optimization. Analyze marketing campaign data to identify successful strategies and optimize future marketing efforts, maximizing return on investment, ROI. 14. Predictive maintenance for renewable energy systems. Utilize IoT sensors and predictive analytics to monitor and maintain renewable energy systems, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. 15. Predictive analytics for crop yield. Prediction. Employ machine learning models to predict crop yields based on environmental factors and agricultural practices, assisting farmers in decision-making and resource allocation. 16. HR analytics for employee performance. Analyze HR data to evaluate employee performance metrics and identify factors influencing productivity and job satisfaction, informing talent management strategies. 17. Customer segmentation for retail industry. Segment customers based on purchasing behavior and demographics to tailor marketing strategies and promotions, increasing customer engagement and loyalty. 18. Predictive maintenance for healthcare equipment. Predict maintenance needs for medical equipment using predictive analytics, ensuring equipment availability and patient safety in healthcare facilities. 19. Predictive analytics for air quality monitoring. Analyze air quality data to forecast pollution levels and identify sources of pollution, supporting environmental regulations and public health initiatives. 20. Insurance claim fraud detection. Develop algorithms to detect fraudulent insurance claims using historical claim data and anomaly detection techniques, reducing insurance fraud losses and improving profitability.